Native to Mexico, the axolotl isn't just exotic, it's basically a real-life Pokémon. Superpower unlocked regeneration. Lose a tail? Grows back. Lose a limb? No problem. Even their brain and spinal cord can fully regenerate. And the craziest part, they can do this over and over, in as little as 3 weeks. But don't let their smile fool you. Axolotls are the ultimate introverts of the animal kingdom. Solitary by nature, they ignore humans and each other. No parties. Just hiding, they lurk in dark, murky waters, only emerging to hunt menu worms, insects, tadpoles, and the occasional small fish. Mythbuster. Some think their regeneration equals immortality. Nope. Axolotls live about 10–15 years, plenty of time to regrow a limb.